Cascade just right there. Look at this. And we are going straight to the cascade now. So let's see. This is a safe jacket for the tide. So for the pedalo, we have to wear this safety first and prepare myself for a nice experience. Good morning, I forgot to say, because I'm excited to do this. So the family is in the other side. I will go and call them. We are ready. Stick around. What a very calm morning today. So here we are in our little boat. We didn't take our breakfast yet. I am with my little lovely son. And we are in Oldevatn. So it's very calm. It starts to rain a little bit. The birds are here. The clouds is above us. The mountains right there. It's a beautiful moment. And Göksel is just right there. Look at Göksel. Göksel is right there. He's also enjoying. It's really lovely. It's really lovely. It's for free, by the way. It's including in the price. They did a little mistake in the hotel, but it's okay. They compensated actually by giving us this. So it's a great feeling. After that, we take breakfast. Wonderful. Do you want to say something? Yes, my friend. Socials. So we are going in a nice experience here, discovering a little bit Oldevatn Lake. We are very far from the camping. You can see the camping is getting smaller here and smaller. So in front of me and behind me, you can see the clouds. Very, very low level clouds actually. It's unbelievable. It is 8 o'clock. It is supposed to be rainy at 9 o'clock for 90% chance. And we took the risk actually to use the pedalo. Yeah. Let me enjoy the moment. I saw a cascade there, socials. There is a nice cascade just right there. Look at this. And we are going straight to the cascade now. See the little bridge there? We can try to go under the bridge maybe. Let's turn, Hadi. Yes.
Hayır, altın kurumadı senin. Oturduğun yer kurumadı mı? Kapım ıslak senin. Benim değil.
Hello socials, I would like to show you here the mirror effect. You see here, this cloud here, white cloud, is exactly copied right here. And you don't feel that there is water in between. Absolutely phenomenal. This is why we came here to Oldevatn, especially for this day. This is the Lake of Oldevatn. I just don't stop to repeat it, but look at these copies, you know, exactly the same. Nice mirror effect. Wonderful. You see the mountains there. Oh, fabulous, majestic. I think we start to be tired, and then maybe we go to take a nice cappuccino and a very hot croissant, and then we continue our way to where? Guess where? Briksdalbreen. A new experience.
Shall we go back? Anne, geri gidelim mi? Evet. Bakalım. Let's go straight there, girl. Okay. Yürüyün gideceğim.
Let's make a nice acceleration. Maximum speed, maximum speed, maximum speed. Let's go. Let's do it. Yay! Let's go. 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 Let